UTC didn't use the innovative method of barge transport for these two units, we would have to completely disassemble them, put them on multiple truckloads, truck them all the way from Tampa to Houston, and then spend weeks reassembling them. My name is Patrick Meyer. I work for UTC overseas. I'm the Global Director of Heavy Equipment. Today we're here to move 2 mobile harbor cranes for Coney cranes and 1 reach stacker via barge that have a combined weight of over 700 metric tons. We're moving the cranes from Tampa, Florida over to Houston, Texas. UTC Heavy Equipment Group has been doing these kinds of projects for 20 plus years, excels at these projects and specializes in these projects because this is all we do every day, all day. UTC takes great pride in the safety of the client's cargo and the personnel on job site. Now that we're in Houston, the offloading process begins. We have to start by de-chaining and unhooking all the chains that are securing the cranes and the reach stacker. Then we have to reballast the barge, make sure that it is lined up with the terminal, as this height is different than what it was in Tampa. We will slowly drive off the reach stacker, then each crane one after another. The benefit of using a barge for these kinds of transports are, 1, you don't have to disassemble the crane, truck it, and then reassemble it, saving a lot of money. The other reason is, in the US, you need a US flag vessel to move on a heavy lift vessel, and those are extremely expensive. So not only is this a time, but also a money saving factor using a barge. At UTC, heavy equipment is our passion. We've been doing it for 20 years and we've never seen the same thing over. So we're always learning, adapting, learning about the equipment, learning about the customers, their needs and wants, and how to better our customers' experience day after day.